The fight between Korea's most powerful conglomerate Samsung Group and U.S. hedge fund Elliott Management is heating up. Elliott has filed a separate court injunction to stop what it calls an unlawful merger between Samsung C&T and the group's de facto holding company, Cheil Industries. Laah Hyun has more on this clash of the titans.
Elliott Management filed for a second injunction against Samsung C&T on Thursday after Samsung moved to sell all of its treasury stock to KCC Corporation in a bid to move forward with the merger. Elliott, which holds 7.1% of Samsung C&T's stake, is seeking to prevent what it sees as an unlawful takeover deal between Samsung Group's construction arm C&T and the group's de facto holding firm Cheil Industries. Many, including Elliott, see the merger as part of the conglomerate's plan for a generational power transfer from Chairman Lee Kun, who has been in a coma for more than a year now, to heir apparent Lee Jae, because the deal will allow the junior Lee to increase his control over Samsung Electronics through his existing shares in Cheil Industries. In a press release Thursday, Elliott called the treasury stock sale a desperate and unlawful attempt by Samsung C&T to shore up voting support for the merger. In response, Samsung C&T said the move is necessary to protect the company and shareholders from overseas hedge funds seeking to make short-term profits. The hedge fund believes Samsung C&T increased the proportion of merger-friendly shares by selling the treasury stocks, which wouldn't have had any voting power if in the hands of the issuer, in this case Samsung C&T, to KCC, which would vote in favor of Samsung next month. With the two companies heading for a showdown on July 17th, the date of the shareholder meeting, investors and market watchers are keeping an eye on how this battle will unfold. Laah Hyun, Arirang News.